Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha. Today we are going to talk about payroll ledgers. Payroll ledgers are used to record salaries and wages to employees per each pay periods. The pay period could be like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and after you remove deduction from your gross pay, you get the net pay. So this net pay is what the employees take home with them. So this is how your pay slip look like. This is what they call paycheck. So every month or every week or bi-weekly, you can receive something like this depending on what pay frequency that your company use. So here we have the address of your company on top, and you have your name, you have your phone number, you have your date of start. We also have your PIN number, the pay handing date. We have folios number, that one, and we have gross pay. Before we go to gross, we have address. Your address is supposed to be there, employees number, claim code, and the pay period. So this employees is paid weekly. So the main important part of your slips is the gross pay. So when you go into your job, you work per hourly or monthly, you have a gross pay. This is before they remove all the deduction that goes to the government. So when you remove deduction, you will get net pay. But what are the deduction? It depends with the province and the territory where you come from. So here we have federal. This guy is from Ontario, so we have federal tax, we have provincial tax, and we also have CPP, we have EI, we have health care. So for some of you who don't know what CPP is Canadian Pension Plan, and that's the amount of money that you receive when you retire or after retirement. And then we have employment insurance, which is the amount of money that the government give you when you get fired or maybe in the process of you looking for work. And we have healthcare. This is the amount that make you go visit your doctor. So once they remove all those deductions from your paycheck, you will have now the net pay. The amount that goes into your account, your bank account, is $413.95. That's the amount that goes into your bank account. So let's see, why is it important? Why do a company need payroll ledgers document? The use of payroll information. Most companies, they use payroll information to prepare separation report when an employee leaves the firm. So what happens if when the employer fire an employee, they have to produce the document like record of employment. This record of employment will be used by the government to decide whether this employee is qualified for employment insurance or not. So another reason why payroll ledgers information is important is because it is used to issue T4 slip. T4 slips are those ones that they use during tax. So when you look at the T4 slip, it will show where the amount that person earned when they were working during the time they worked that year. So It's very important for the T4 slip. There is for also for tax. For income tax purpose, you also need like the payroll ledgers information. So you need to see how much they deduct CPP, how much was EI, so all those federal income tax, provincial income tax, so all those things are really very important for them to decide the amount of tax that employees should pay, or the amount of tax the government still need from the employees.